Halo, kembali lagi kita bermain Elmwood Trail. Kemarin udah sampai mana ya? Kita langsung aja kali ya di sini. Kita disuruh ngekonekin clue ya, yang terakhir ya. Terakhir itu kita kayak ngeinterogasi beberapa apa sih? Itulah pokoknya beberapa orang, ada Mike, ada si Betty, terus ada juga si Lily. Ya, 3 orang itu kan. Nah, di sini ada beberapa clue. Yang pertama, Zoe dan juga Brad itu mengalami pertengkaran gitu kan. Terus yang kedua itu Zoe meninggalkan pesta dan duduk sendirian di luar. Lalu juga ada foto dan catatan yang dikirim secara anonimus. Terus ada Betty runs a website, lalu dia nge-spam semua orang tentang merchandise-nya si Betty ini sendiri. Lalu seseorang mengetahui kalau Mike itu menyukai Zoe, dan seseorang yang diketahui Mike menyukai Zoe dan menunggu seseorang itu mengetahui kalau Mike ini suka sama Zoe, terus dia nunggu kesempatan yang tepat buat nge-capture, buat nge-foto. Yang kemarin itu ada foto si Zoe-nya lagi naik ke mobilnya si Mike. Terus yang terakhir itu satu-satunya cara untuk mendapatkan nomornya Kyle itu adalah melalui pacarnya, yaitu si Betty. Oke, di sini kita konekin dulu ya. Mungkin ini sama ini kali. Oh iya. Terus ini sama ini sama ini. Nah, jadi Zoe itu was highly upset over something. Dia itu marah banget tentang sesuatu karena dia sama Brad itu berantem gitu kan tentang itu. Nah, si Mike ini cerita ke kita kebenarannya kalau dia itu melakukan hal yang menjijikan. Dia tahu dia sekarang itu lagi kena frame gitu kan, disalahin, kena tuduh sama seorang yang anonimus yang mengirimkan foto mobilnya si Mike itu ke kita kemarin ya. Tapi kita nggak tahu siapa yang ngirim ini. Terus yang ketiga, merchandise-nya Betty dan juga website-nya itu mungkin mengarahkan kita pada informasi baru tentang Kyle yang merupakan pacarnya. Januari, tanggal 26, 34 hari, 34 malam. Maxwell ini siapa ya? Aku lupa siapa. What the hell, Adam? You working on that missing girls case. Ini siapa ya? Ini aku lupa lagi. Happy New Year. Any new case that you're working on? Why you wanna steal off my case? Oh, ini yang kemarin agak nyebelin itu gak sih? In case you ask us not to pursue. Exactly. Nice to know you remember. I mean, I'm a detective. What do you expect? Okay, so this means we are good then. Who told you? Oh no. Tim itu yang waktu itu kita ngajak kerja sama itu loh. I told you not to get your hands on that case. How dare you? Do you even know that could be the consequences of this? Dimarahin nih kita nih karena kita menangani kasus si Zoe ini. I don't work for you anymore. I'm not answerable to you. Oh, Maxwell ini atasan kita nggak sih waktu itu? Aduh, nggak bisa di-cancel lah. Oh iya. Atasan atau siapa lah itu pokoknya yang dibicarain sama tim waktu itu. Ya, si timnya cepu. You trying to scare me? You know very well that what I mean. Why are you doing this? I have my reasons. I'm fed up listening to you and giving up on good cases. I have my reasons aja deh. So you have decided you're gonna go against me. Whatever helps you. I'm just trying to find a missing girl, nothing else. It's time you start finding a new profession, detective. Kenapa sih? Kamu nggak suka ya? Kamu terlibat ya, makanya kamu nggak suka ya kita menangani ini ya. Complete the data recovery process on Zoe phone. Recovery-nya gimana? Ini. Apalah lagi lah inilah. Apa ini? Maksudnya? Bentar, coba ulang. Kalau kita taruh sini ke atas. Pencet-pencet aja bisa sih harusnya. Kalau misalkan ke samping dia merah, ke bawah dia masih bisa. Nanti dia nggak boleh merah ke bawah. Kalau ke atas ini nggak bisa, ini bisa. Ini nggak bisa. Gini bisa. Gini. Harus warna ini semua ya. Coba deh kalau misalkan kayak gini. Oh, dia cuma atas bawah. Ini kan nggak bisa ke atas, udah pasti ke sini. Ini nggak bisa ke sini ataupun ke sini, cuma bisa ke bawah. Ini nggak bisa ke kanan, nggak bisa ke atas, cuma ke bawah atau ke kiri. Ini bisa ke bawah, nggak bisa ke kiri, bisanya ke atas atau ke samping. Ini kan cuma bisa ke bawah. Ini cuma bisa ke sini. Cuma bisa ke bawah. Tiba-tiba. Oke deh. Aku gak tahu apa yang terjadi tadi, asal pencet aja ya. Kita udah nge-recover chat, email, sama foto. Kita lihat di chatnya apakah ada yang baru. Kita harus menemukan Kyle kontaknya. Ryan siapa nih? Tanggal 23 Desember ya, pas hilangnya. Paginya. Can your dad drop me today to the school? Wait, I thought Brad picks you up every day. Is everything alright? You know Brad and his friends, he says he has to buy veggies for his mom, so he'll be late. I don't know if anyone would ever believe that. I know, right? Well, you can always come with us, not a problem. Thanks, you are a lifesaver. Berarti di sini dia tuh lagi kayak menghindar dari si Brad itu ya, ini pacarnya. Makanya dia minta jemput sama orang lain. Terus jam 1 siangnya, did you happen to see Kyle? Oh, dia bahas Kyle nih. Nope, why? Everything alright? Yeah, just let me know if you see him. I hope I don't. Why? You okay? You know him, Zoe. You need to stand up for yourself against bullies. I know. You need to stand up for yourself. Kayaknya ini korban bullyingnya si Kyle kah? Then stop being afraid, no. It's not that easy. Let it be. You won't get it. So I need to see you right now. Ini jam 11 nih, udah nggak ada kah? Jam 11 PM loh. Jam 11 PM tanggal 23. Tapi dia masih ngebales nih. What happened? You okay? Pick up the phone. What? Jam 11 PM? Tapi dia masih ngebales tanggal 23 itu. Kan dia menghilangnya tanggal 23 ya. Tuh, 23 jam 8 PM. Sedangkan jam 11 dia masih ngejawab si Rachan ini. Oh. Menarik. Betty. Oh, ini nih merchandise-nya nih. Thank you for everyone for showing so much my project. My goal is to create a family who can learn from my experience and enjoy high quality content. Keep sharing and loving fun. Dia kayaknya Pixable gitu ya, dia semacam selebriti Pixable. Oke, nanti kita bisa cek di Pixable-nya. River Stone High Chess Club. Attention River Stone High. Apa ini? Tanggal 28 Oktober, tapi udah berlalu nih. All student $250. Semacam iklan doang sih sebenarnya ini. Nggak tahu ada hubungannya apa enggak nanti. Coba kita lihat foto. Ada foto ini yang recover Peaceful Kitty. Terus foto kok sama gitu ya. Same pose different room. Tuh kan. Ini juga aku kayak ngeliat deh kemarin. Apa maksud? Tanggalnya kah? Udah ntar deh. Kita harus menemukan kontaknya si Kyle. Kita lihat tadi. Betty tadi namanya apa? Fiery Betty. Ya iya, passwordnya apa? What's your pet's name? Gimana cara aku tahu namanya? Namanya siapa kamu? Hei. Apa ya? Ini buat edit. Enggak. Aduh, salah. Buat putar-putar. Namanya siapa? Kitty. Masih Kitty. Oke, jadi kayaknya aku udah stuck ya. Kita coba aja nih. Lihat Iya, Betty is the key to find anything on Kyle. Check the recovered emails. Apa aku gara-gara aku nggak mencet ya? Mana tadi? Gara-gara aku nggak mencet ininya kali ya, jadi nggak muncul. Gimana cara mencet-mencetnya? Kemarin gimana ya bisa kepencet itu ya? Cek on the recover email. bettyblocks.com. Coba cari. Oh, Betty Blocks. Hi gang, welcome to my blog. Don't forget to get my newest merch. Oke, di sini ada Zoe is missing, Halloween sama Kyle and I are stronger than ever. Oke, di sini kita menemukan nomornya. Hi Kyle, this is Detective Adam Land. I'm investigating the case of Zoe Leonard. Lama nih. Ternyata nggak perlu masuk ke sosmednya, kita langsung ke blognya aja tadi. Who gave you my number? I hope you didn't miss the I am a detective part. I have some questions regarding Zoe's disappearance. Hey, just stay away from me. I'm not interested in answering any of your questions. Don't you want to help find your missing friend? Your few answers might help us find Zoe. Kita pancing dulu, seperti biasa. Obviously, we all are trying to find her, but we are not going to trust and tell everything to a random stranger who goes on saying that he will solve this case. Gak percaya nih ceritanya si Kak sama kita nih ya. The only difference is that I'm not a random stranger, but a detective and a pretty good one. I wonder what might your reason be to not help with Zoe's case, unless you got something apa ya? Coba kita meyakinkan dia dulu ya. Let others decide if you are any good. Answer my question and we'll be done. I don't feel good about this. Don't get me wrong. It's not like I don't want to help. It's just that I'm not getting the right vibes here. How so? Are you always this cranky? Cranky itu apa? I'm just messing around with you. Hah? Apa sih? Kamu punya masalah sama saya? You look like a smart kid. I know you don't want any trouble. Just answer a few questions and you'll have nothing to worry. Kita puji dulu. You're gonna blackmail me just like you did to Betty. So you two have been chatting. In my language, it's called getting the job done. In my language, that's something highly ethical. Yeah, I know guys had a party on the night. Yes, what I organized it. It was just a party and nothing wrong happened with Zoe. She was completely fine when she left. Was Betty helping you as well? Betty was giving out the faces, right? Yeah, she had some experience with all this shit. Why would a teen house party require faces? Why were you so selective while sending out invitation? Kenapa pesta anak-anak ini memerlukan ini gitu, pas gitu. Kenapa kalian itu sangat selektif memberikan undangan? Coba ini. We send out faces to make sure only the cool people show up. Wow, mesti cool people banget ya. We didn't want any killjoys. Do you remember any of your interaction with Zoe? Did anything specific happen at the party concerning Zoe? Interaksinya atau anything specific? Coba ini dulu deh. Nothing special, just casual party stuff, I guess. She and Betty arrived together. We had a few drinks by the pool, click some pics, and play a few games. Normal party stuff. Did Zoe have an argument with Brett? Maybe something related to Brett? Mungkin berhubungan dengan Brett? Yeah, Brett dared one of our friends to spill a drink on Zoe's dress. Huh? What? Zoe got pretty mad about it. She kinda overreacted. It was just a minor argument. Lah, kenapa gitu si Brad ini? Si Brad ini dia nantang satu temannya itu buat spill a drink, kayak numpahin gitu gak sih, numpahin minuman ke dressnya Zoe. Marah lah Zoe-nya. Anyone saw Zoe leaving the party? Where do you think she could have gone after that? Yang mungkin nggak tahu lah si Kyle-nya lah. Kita tanya aja siapa ada yang lihat nggak. I don't think so. Hey bro, can you please make it quick? I gotta go. I'm almost done. Just send me the list of people who were invited. Nggak mau dia tuh kan. I don't have that. Betty was handling the invitation. I'll ask Betty to drop you the list. Thank you, we are done here. Thanks for being cooperative. Kita gak bisa memastikan benar-benar bakalan done here. Oke, jadi aku gak sengaja kepencet hint lagi ya. I'm so sorry. Time. Jadi kita di sini langsung ngasih ini nih, langsung ada dapet clue-nya nih. Coba, tapi aku gak mau baca clue-nya dulu. Tadi cuma time is clock doang. Kita lihat diary-nya. I can let time be free. Watch it fly away like a bird, or I freeze it in 2 moments. Watch its hands spill out toward A B B. Apa ya ini ya? Kemarin itu mom ya. Ini dia I can. Apakah ini ada hubungannya sama galeri ini? Tanggalnya tanggal berapa? Diary 23 Agustus. Ada di sini nggak 23 Agustus? Nggak ada sih. Coba kita baca lagi. I can let time be free, watch it fly away like a bird, or I freeze it in 2 moments, watch its hands spill out the word. Watch its hands spill out the word. Hands spill out the word. apa yang ini tadi ya? Mana tadi diary-nya? The moments watch its hands spill out toward. Sini kata-kata sih. Aduh, aku tergoda buat lihat clue-nya tadi, udah kebuka soalnya. Di sini ada tanggal berapa? Only gift I can expect from my dad. My role models. Me with my favorite being. Well, someone broke a vase and got couch. Same pose, different room. Kita lihat aja lah. Time is clock. Check gallery for image that contain a clock. Yes, I know. Ini. Terus apa? WMMO kah? Berdasarkan huruf kapital depannya. Coba. Sangat random ya kalau kayak gitu. Bukan. I can't let time be free. Watch it fly away like a bird, or I freeze it into moments. Watch its hands spell out the word. Oh. Watch its hands spell out the word. Ini huruf E. L-E-V-A. Berdasarkan itu loh. Apa sih namanya? Berdasarkan jarumnya itu dia membentuk sebuah huruf. Makanya dia bilang di sini watch its hands spell out the word. V-A terakhir. Nah, live. I still remember last summer when I finally started bonding with Betty Johnson. Last summer itu dia pertama kali terhubung, kenal sama Betty Johnson. She always gave me that mean girl vibe who rules the school. It all started when we talked trash about the school rules during our detention. Next thing I know, we're having parties and girls' nights out together. She's like my best girl now. On the other hand, I have recently started receiving some strange letters with sketchy symbols on them. Most probably, it's nothing. Someone must be playing a prank on me of some sort. Okay, I don't know why I am lying to myself. I am kind of freaked out. I can't stop thinking about this. I need to talk someone. Jadi dia tuh temenan sama si Betty itu. Jadi ceritakan pertama kenal, terus akhirnya dia ngerasa kayak Betty ini teman cewek terbaiknya dia lah gitu. Terus di sisi lain dia tuh jadi sering dapat surat yang asing gitu, orang asing gitu, dengan simbol kayak ini simbolnya dan di bawah ini deh. Awalnya dikira kayak paling ada yang ngeprank gitu, cuma lama-kelamaan dia risih juga mungkin. Oke. Oh, ini ada recovery lagi nih. Aduh, masukin apa lagi nih? 71. Mungkin berapa yang menghasilkan 71? 261. Ada yang akhirnya 6 lagi enggak? Ini apa sih? Oh, salah. 2, 3, 26, 27, 28, 3, 10, 20, 30. Min 30. 16. Hah? 26 tambah 1. 26 kali 1, 26. 26 kali 2, 52. Oh, I see. Kali 2, enggak berarti. Kali... Nih. Harusnya 27 kali 3 kan 81. Kurang 10. Aduh. 27 kali 3 kurang 10. Nah. Easy, bos. Oke. Sekarang kita lihat apa lagi nih. Kita lihat satu-satu lagi. Message-nya. Oh, nih si Brad nih. Ya Zoe, can pick up you. Oh, ini paginya. Can pick you up today. Sorry babe, problem, but why? What happened? I know it might sound a bit weird, but my mom asked me to get some veggies at the last moment. Can you believe her? You helping your mom get groceries. No one would believe that. You are always so funny. These things make me love you even more. Yeah, you can stop now. Hey, by the way, I want you to be early at the party tonight. Jadi tadi dia tuh beneran gak bisa ya si beratnya, jadi belum karena berangkar. Berangkarnya tuh pas malamnya, jadi pas paginya itu dia bilang gak bisa jemput si Zoe ini. Dan beralasan karena katanya mau bantu ibunya. Hey, by the way, I want you to be early at the party tonight. River Stone is gonna remember this party forever. You and me, we are gonna blow this party. Calm down, I haven't asked my dad yet. Also, we are not blowing anything up. Come on, what's the deal with your dad? Get it sorted soon. I'll get bored without you, you know that, right? Stop it, you'll go crazy at party alone. Can't argue that. Haha, by the way, babe, what are you gonna wear? I don't know. I haven't checked my wardrobe yet. Well, guess what, baby? I have got this part sorted for you. What do you mean? I pick up that silver dress you liked last week. We went to the plaza surprise. Kyle would get it to you in the school. What? You know, I don't like it when you give me these expensive gifts. That dress was so costly. You don't need to care, babe. You are my girlfriend and I want you to look your best tonight. But what is the need? I have some dresses and I haven't even asked my parents yet. How would I even bring that dress inside my house? I don't know any of that. Take it inside your bag or something, but you are wearing that dress tonight and that's final. Okay, I'll see what I can do. That's like my girl. Okay, Brad, I'll talk you later. Gotta head out. Goodbye, babe. See you at school. Jadi si Brad ini ngasih si Zoe dress silver yang dia beliin buat si Zoe ini. Katanya dititipin ke Kyle buat dibawain ke sekolah. Pokoknya gitulah, dia minta si Zoe itu buat pakai baju itu nanti malam. Yang mana tadi kan berdasarkan cerita sebelumnya, si Kyle itu, si Brad itu nyuruh salah satu temannya buat ngenumpahin minuman di bajunya si Zoe itu, si ini. You skipping today? Yes, gotta make sure we have a perfect night. You should start concentrating on classes too. I'll pass on that. I seriously can't see you getting such low grades. Babe, I'm the reason our school backs the football championship every year. They seriously can't afford to fail me. Whatever, I just want to warn you. Sure, I get it. I love you too. Jadi di sini si Bradnya itu dia bolos, terus diingetin sama si Zoe-nya. Si Bradnya ini kayak ngomong, aku kan pemenang yang ngebawa football timnya sekolah kita tuh dapat champion gitu. Mereka nggak bakalan bisa ngegagalin aku gitu. Maksudnya ngegagalin mengenai mungkin naik kelas atau gimana nya gitu kan. Hey babe, please meet Kyle and take the dress from him. I told you I can't accept it. Well, I have bought it now and it would be small for me. I'm not lying, but you're lying. Where is Kyle? Is he at school? Call him or text him or just find Betty. Let me know once you get it, okay? Jadi si Zoe ini sebenarnya agak ogah-ogahan buat nerima bajunya, cuma si Brad ini agak maksa. How till then will you be reaching? 10 or 15 minutes. Great. Hey babe, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Please come back. I'll make it up to you. I promise. At least pick up the phone. Give me a chance to explain. Oh, ini setelah yang hilang si ininya. Si apa? Zoe-nya. Did you reach home? Oke deh. Apalagi? Wait siapa? Hey Zoe, coming today? Siang ini. Can't, little busy today. No worries, even I'll skip then. You shouldn't, you need practice. Yeah, I'm lacking, loser. Hah? Siapa wait ini? You need practice apa? Oke. Then kita cek lagi mailnya. Ada apa di sini? Lily. Hey Zoe, here are those project files. I have made a small quiz game. You will see a small text file. Once you download it, enter the questions and answer in the specified format. After that, you don't need to do anything as all the files are tracked in the cloud, so it will get updated accordingly. Kayaknya mesti kita pencet kah? Nggak bisa. Quiz. Oke, mungkin itu akan membantu nantinya galeri. Foto apa ini? Oh my god. Cerahin dong. Kucingnya. Nama kucingnya. Akhirnya aku tahu namanya. Jerry, simpan. Happy birthday, Jerry. Ini sama Lily nih. Forever and always. Oke, jadi sini sudah terjawab ya pertanyaanku dari awal. Siapa sih nama kucingnya? Nama kucingnya tuh Jerry. Talk to Betty. Ya udah, selanjutnya nanti kita bakalan ngobrol lagi sama Betty. Tapi buat part ini sekian dulu. Setidaknya kita udah tahu beberapa hal ya. Ternyata dia tuh berantem sama si Bert itu karena si Bert itu ngasih agak maksa nyuruh si Zoe itu pakai baju yang dibeliin dia, tapi malah dijadiin candaan gitu pas di pestanya itu. Akhirnya marahlah si Zoe-nya dan dia pergi dan gak ada yang tahu gitu dia pergi kemana. Nah kayaknya dia itu terakhirnya abis itu ketemu Mike kan, habis berantem itu yang masuk mobil itu. Nah nggak tahu setelah ketemu Mike itu dia kemana nggak tahu. Cuma di sini kan ada salah satu pesan itu yang dia ngechat si Rajan ini. Tuh, dia jam 11 malam itu. I need to see you right now. What happened? You okay? Jadi kemungkinan terakhir sama si ini nggak tahu sih ketemu apa enggak. Dan kita udah tahu nama kucingnya ya, namanya siapa tadi namanya? Jackie atau siapa? Aduh, terlalu blur. Ininya kita cerahin. Terus ininya kita Jerry. Nah, nama tikus ya, tapi ini kucing ya. Jerry namanya. Oke. Abis ini aku juga bisa buka Pixabay-nya. Kita harus ngechat Betty dulu sebelum itu. Oke, yaudah guys, buat part ini, entah ke part berapa lah ini, sekian dulu. Nanti kita lanjutin di next part. Bye bye.